Today we're making lentil soup. So we've got some ready cut root vegetables, carrots and sweet. And this is the ham. Is it ham or gammon? That's boiling. We're going to put into boil. My other half is making this. And we're going to make it with lentils. So this is, we have to cook the gammon first. So we're washing the lentils. Cutting the vegetables, cutting the spring onions since we don't have other vegetables to put it in. Now we're cutting the potatoes. Now adding some onions, but it's actually shallots because we've already got some spring onion, so it's more for the flavor. Now we're taking out the bacon. Adding in the lentils. Now giving it a good stir in the stock. We're doing roast potatoes for dinner. And to eat with what? The soup. Oh, the ham.
Cauliflower cheese.
Cauliflower cheese as well.
Cheese.
So that's a balanced meal. And the ham. Okay. And sausages as well. So we're gonna put it in the oven. That's a lot of food.
Yeah, we're making sausages keep for days. This is the meals. Feeds Katrina now for the rest of the week.
Okay. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Okay, now this, we've added some mixed vegetables and the root vegetables, and the lentil is there. See the lentil, is it done?
Just not enough lentils, that's all.
Okay, next time we'll have more lentils. Okay, so it's ready, right? Just a few more minutes. So here is the dinner: gammon, sausages, cauliflower cheese, roast potato, and the lentil soup. Okay, enjoy your dinner. So that's our dinner, cooked by the other half: Scottish lentil soup and gammon, which they normally eat. They usually eat gammon, I think. Yeah. So there you are. I'm not going to try it because I'll see how it goes. Okay, bye. So that's the dinner cooked by the other half. Look at here, yes. So until then, bye, see you again. That's a very simple dinner. Just let it boil and let it be in the oven, and then you just fix everything up. So it's a simple dinner. See ya. Don't forget to click like and click the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. Bye, ciao.